Train number 4, BNSF. Woo! BNSF 7661-7734. Oh wow, and 5318, and all -9 consist. Wow. Woo! Alright, bet. All -9 consist. And a little horn show. Nice. Woo! Wow, that was kind of cool. A little horn show and an all -9 consist. Nice. We also got another BNSF coming down the bridge, so that'll probably be train number 5.
You talked to Leo today, Dan? Out of here. Yeah.
Defect detector's going off. Defect detector. My train scanner, my defect detector just went off. In case y'all are wondering what my scanner looks like, that's what it looks like. I have it on the Norfolk Southern New Orleans Black Belt line, which is actually the line that connects to Metairie Road. So this train is coming from Metairie Road. So technically, he's coming off the Norfolk Southern Black Belt line. Some nice graffiti there. There goes train number 4 of today in Metairie. Let's get the gates going up. There goes train number 4 of today in Metairie. BNSF with an all-9 contest and a horn show. Hope you enjoy.